In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a wig. This is going to be a wig using a crochet needle, a crochet cap, as well as Afro spring twist hair. The hair that I have, it's from Main Concept. I have 4 packs of the red and 4 packs of the pink. And the way that I'll be styling this wig today, one side I would like for it to be red, and one side, the other side, I would like for it to be pink. And then I will be perm riding it and putting it in hot water and showing you guys the final result. Now this is very easy, but please believe me though, this is very time consuming. So if I were you, I'll put like a couple days aside that you know, give you enough time to make the wig and give enough time for the hair to dry once it's curled. Now this is Main Concept's 3X Afro spring twist, and the length of this hair is about 16 inches long, and I have it in the color red and I have it also in the color pink. Now this hair is great for natural looks and also for like twist, and the best thing about it is the texture of this hair is really soft and is really light. And that's what I really love about this hairstyle, that even though it's a lot of hair, it's not like heavy, it's very lightweight, and that's what I actually love about this hair. I did buy this crochet cap from Amazon as well, and I will leave the link in the description box below for you. Really love this cap actually, because it stretches a lot, like it has a lot of stretch to it. And then it also has built-in wig clips, so that's also a plus to help keep your wig secured. Now I know that it may seem like a lot of hair on this wig whatsoever, and keep in mind that I did use 4 packs of the red and 4 packs of the pink. I did not like put hair in each loop that you see on the crochet cap. I did not do that. I kind of just like went all over the place, but like, and just, you know, kind of filled it in. And I did mark the wig so that I'll know like where am I going, like to make sure it's half and half, so I'll, you know where to put my crochet hair at. If you do not want to do it this way, another option for you is that you can actually just perm ride each piece of strands of hair. Each pack of hair comes with 10 strands of hair, so you can just take the strand and just wrap it around the perm rod that way, and then you can just like dip them all in hot water, boiling hot water, and then just take them out and just let them sit overnight. That could be an option for you if you do not want to do it this way. You don't have to, but the other way might be a lot faster for you, because then that way you can just crochet the hair in and you don't have to worry about curling it and stuff whatsoever. I really love this hairstyle. I had started cutting it, it was like a complete mess. Like I was like, no way, there is no way I'm gonna wear my hair like this. But once I kind of like cut it and framed my face and stuff, it turned out totally fine, like very beautiful, and that's what I love. So if you have not tried curling your synthetic hair with perm rods, I would suggest for you to do that. Like, your curls come out so juicy, so juicified, it's ridiculous. Like, the curls would be so phenomenal. And you can also use these perm rods and curl your natural hair and, you know, come up with some really cute hairstyles. Now I did go off camera and curl the hair with the perm rods, but I got you because I will show another video on how to use perm rods and the different types of sizes that you can use, and show you based off the different sizes, show you what type of curl, you know, it will give you. So if you find this hair tutorial very helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to follow Main Concept on all of their social media platforms, and let them know that Tika sent you, and what you think about this hairstyle. Would you be considering trying it? And what about the color combination? Very beautiful, huh? But that's it for this hair tutorial. I hope that you find it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out, you guys.